Ah, put it back is so disrespectful. Bro, this nigga, yo, cuff. Wait, what is wrong with your lips? What is that ashy ash? What is that, chat? Or is that eczema? Is that eczema? What is that? It's really, this shit is really ugly. Like, this is bad, whatever that is. Is that eczema? Like, did you burn your face?
Why his eyes look like that?
Oh, it's a guy? Or a girl?
He's scary looking.
Yo.
It ain't going, let's go.
Hey, can you rate us?
No, I need y'all to rate me first.
There
No,
goes that
you can rate
motherfucking
us.
ski mask.
Rate me first, rate me first, alright?
Okay.
Negative motherfucking 2.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm getting up.
Oh, he took the glasses off. Damn, he's, oh my god, he's still Bud Light Predator.
What the fuck?
What?
Bro, my dog just can't exist, bro.
I thought you was a monkey.
Yo, bro, he can't just exist, bro.
Rate me on 1 through 10, both of y'all.
Okay, go.
Look at her, let me watch her face reaction.
Oh my god!
Bro, that was a, bro, Bro, that was, no, he dragged it, you dragged it. Nah, you dragged it. That was fucked up, bro. That's fucked, bro. That's L, man. Not in front of the huz, bro. That's fucked, bro.
Oh my god!
Bro's a cutie.
Huh? You know when, like, I like girls that are like, they know you're fucking hideous, but they don't want to hurt your feelings, so they gotta lie to your face. That's sweet.
What?
Nigga dead ass look like a shiny Alolan Graveler.
Damn, take that mask off. Let me see your face.
Alright, bet.
Put it back on.
Bro,
Oh.
Bro, this is so bad, bro.
Oh. And
Hey, Zaddy.
This is fucked up, bro.
Hey, Zaddy.
Wait, what?
and it looks like you never been
famous. He
born.
recording you right now. Ain't he famous?
And he is.
Who's he talking to?
Oh.
Who you talking to? Who you talking to?
Oh.
You look like my mama.
You look ugly.
Ain't he famous?
And he is. And it looks like you never
famous.
been
He
born.
recording you right now.
Bro, that nigga famous for being ugly, bro. Chat, would you rather be regular, like how you are now, the money you have now, or be famous and have some money, but you're ugly as fuck? Like, you're famous for being butt. Like, you're famous for being ugly. Like, ugly as fuck. Basically, you'd rather be cuffem or you.
What?
You should watch Berserk the 99 version on stream, it'll change your